Hey people, today I'm actually, some kind of way I ended up in St. Petersburg, because I'm a person, look behind me, see all that across the street, the water. Anyhow, I'm a person that, I don't always plan what I do, I just kind of go. So I got in my car, and I was like, you know what, I was on a certain street, I was like, I'm just going to take it as far as I can until something goes to the right. So I just drove it straight for about 10 minutes, not even really, about 10-15 minutes. And then I got to a street name that I know from my job. You know, I'm a professional driver, so I know a lot of streets, places I don't even live at. So I made it right on it. Now I'm in St. Petersburg some kind of way. I live in Tampa, by the way, so. But I'm not officially from Florida. I've only been here about a year and a half, so I do know some things, but a lot of stuff I just learned it as I go. And that's how I prefer to do it. I'm not no mapquest person. People are always like, well, just do this, Google it, mapquest it. I don't do it that way. So I learn by experience. I like to see things and do things. To me, it's boring. If it's just get handed to me, it's boring as hell. Anyhow, hopefully we're about to see a good shot. From the road, it looked pretty cool. The other side looks cool too, but